Hi guys, welcome to this new demo where I'm going to demonstrate how to sketch spheres. So let me tell you that probably the sphere is the easiest of the primitives to be sketched both in top view, side view and three-dimensional perspective view. Why is that? Because it will always look like a circle. So in the top view, as you can see, if I sketch a sphere, all I have to do is to sketch a circle. So the most challenging part is to keep your arm pretty fluent in order to sketch a good circle, and then you will show the center top view. But what happens in the side view, basically, as you notice, in the side view nothing really changes because it's just going to be again a circle. So given a diameter, I just have to divide it in two, and the side view is just exactly the same. Great. How is it going to look like in perspective view? It's going to be a circle. It doesn't matter if it is under the horizon line, flying somewhere here, in the middle of it, smaller, gigantic like this. It doesn't matter. It's always going to be a circle. So my recommendation, just practice in sketching good circles. Make sure that they don't look like eggs. It's always a good idea to show the center. Make sure that if the circle is small, don't exaggerate with the line weight. If you want it to be very close to the viewer, just make sure that you exaggerate line weight. So what if I want to give some three-dimensionality to my circle? What should I do? Okay, let's try to do a good flying circle here, and let's try to make it a little bit bigger than the other two. First thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to outline the contour line with a little heavier line, like this. And it doesn't matter if your lines are not just perfect. Okay, so that's my flying circle right here. I'm just going to identify the center. The center, remember, has to have equal distances from whatever point that I have in the contour line. The next thing that I'm going to do is to sketch a few sections. So from the center, random lines. I'm going to do it again. From the center, I'm just going to move out straight line in whatever point, and then I identify a random point here, 90-degree line, and here I'm just going to sketch an ellipse. So this ellipse is just going to be an ellipse projected in my sphere. What if I want to sketch a section line here? Again, I'm going to sketch 90-degree line here. I'm going to use that line to control an ellipse here. Actually, it's not wide enough. I think it should be a little wider. So adding these lines to spheres, and I could do something here as well, is just going to make spheres looking more three-dimensional. And if you notice, it's like sketching cylinders into the sphere. Okay, So this is a good way to sketch three-dimensional circles. If you think of the pool ball, usually here you have like a number. That's pretty much how they look like. Just going to fix some lines. What if I want to sketch a section on this side? Again, from the center, I'm going to bring out a line. I'm going to identify one point, 90-degree line here. So this is a perfect, excuse me, 90-degree angle. I'm going to use this line to sketch a circle. Okay. That's the idea. Try to practice with spheres. Remember, circles, and then it's all about sketching sections that look good.